I think the meeting is a very good mix of basic science and clinical. I think the translational element is its success. And I think what the meeting has to do is to maintain the idea of this is a translational meeting, and there'll be, and make sure we've got adequate representation at both ends of those spectrum. When I started with T-cell lymphoma, I didn't know what I didn't know. I didn't realise how ignorant I was about T-cell lymphomas, and that was in the era before genomics. Now I have to teach myself about genomics. I understand about the lymphomas, and I think there's got to be a place in this meeting of being perhaps educational to the people who are just entering the field, learning a bit more about, what are the subtypes of the lymphomas, what are the types of research tools that we've got. What are the genomic tools? What are the molecular tools? What are the epigenetic tools? And with that comes maybe a more detailed understanding of how some of these pathways work. So I really would love to know, is there a thirst for that sort of level of education? Because at the moment it's very translational, it's very top end. There's a lot of people have to come into this meeting with a quite detailed understanding to get it all. And I love it because it's at that level. But I just wonder whether we need some sort of underpinning to teach people about T-cell lymphomas, the new methodology, signalling pathways that are key. I think that would be helpful. As an observer, I know that my fellows, both lab and clinical trainees would love to see that sort of thing, either face to face or maybe it's something that can be on the web. I don't know.